Have you heard of Nibiru? Also known as Planet X, this mysterious planet is one of the most debated and controversial topics in the world of conspiracy theories and alternative astronomy. It's said to be hidden deep in space and, one day, could pass near Earth or even collide with our planet, causing global disaster. But is any of this true? Today we'll dive into everything that science and pop culture tells us about Nibiru. So stay until the end to find out what we know and don't know about this mysterious planet. The story of Nibiru has roots in ancient Sumerian mythology. According to theories proposed by authors like Zecharia Sitchin, Nibiru was the home of the Anunnaki, an alien race that supposedly visited Earth thousands of years ago. Sitchin interpreted ancient texts and suggested that these visitors came from Nibiru in search of resources, and some believe they even influenced human development. However, the academic community questions these interpretations. But it was Sitchin's work that helped popularize the concept of Nibiru as a mysterious and possibly dangerous planet. But what does science say about this? In 2016, scientists found evidence that a massive planet might exist beyond Neptune. They observed that some objects on the edge of the solar system have strange orbits, suggesting the presence of an unseen massive body. This hypothetical planet became known as Planet 9, but it's not exactly the same as the Nibiru that Sitchin and other theorists talked about. In fact, Planet 9 would be so distant that it poses no threat to Earth, but it remains a mystery that fascinates astronomers worldwide. Nibiru became an icon of apocalyptic theories, especially during 2003 and 2012, when rumors claimed it would approach Earth, causing mass destruction. In 2012, during the famous end of the world predicted by the Mayan calendar, many theorists claimed that Nibiru would finally become visible and impact our planet. But obviously that didn't happen. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, the idea of Nibiru continues to resurface in forums and social media whenever unusual astronomical events occur. Our obsession with Nibiru has spread through pop culture, inspiring movies, books, and series. From sci-fi to documentaries, the concept of a Planet X lurking and waiting stirs people's imaginations. And with advancements in technology and increasingly powerful telescopes, astronomers are beginning to observe parts of space previously out of reach. Which raises the question, could there really be something out there, so big and so distant, that we haven't yet seen it? Some anomalies in the orbits of distant planets and objects do intrigue scientists. Some suggest that if a planet as large as Planet 9 truly exists, it could help explain these strange orbital behaviors. But, unlike conspiracy theories claim, science believes this hypothetical planet would be hundreds of times further from Earth than Pluto, making it extremely unlikely to pose any direct threat to our planet. Why are so many people fascinated by Nibiru and end-of-the-world theories? Psychologists point out that the idea of an unknown threat has deep roots in human behavior. Stories of impending doom, even without proof, make us question our safety and seek explanations for the unexplained. This is a phenomenon that fuels conspiracy theories and keeps them alive for generations. So, does Nibiru exist? Science says there is no solid evidence of a hidden planet ready to collide with Earth. However, the search for Planet 9 reminds us that space is full of mysteries, and we still have much to discover. We may never find Nibiru, but the idea of an invisible, dangerous planet will continue to capture our imagination. And you? Do you think Nibiru is out there? Share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos about the mysteries of the universe.